So hello friends, how are you? I hope you're all are fine. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make Aoi Todo's locket or we can say necklace. Well, I've got some comments to make this locket. So yes, this is what I am going to show you in this video, that how I made this locket only out of cardboard. And first of all, let me show you this by opening. So it opens like this. Well, as you can see, this is what it looks like from inside, just like we saw in the anime and the manga. So yes, this is what I'm going to show you in this video. So let us start the video already.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh, your love explodes. Our heart implodes. Your love explodes. Our hearts So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh, your love explodes. Our hearts implodes. Your love explodes. Our hearts implode. Catch me now, I can't leave. Hold me now, I'm yours now. Believe your love explodes. Our hearts implodes. Your love explodes. Our hearts
So don't forget to smash the like button on the bottom of this video. Also let me know in the comments, did you like this video or not. And as you can see that I've already started uploading my craft videos again. Well, that's a new comeback, because you know the reason why I quit making craft videos for some time. So that is what the reason is. So that's it for today, guys. Also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in my YouTube's bio. You can check it out from there. Also share your support and give your support on that platform too. And that's it for today. Till then, sayonara, bye bye.